Hello there and welcome to today's video, which is another cute little Halloween tutorial, this time for a little witch's toad. So if you've any warts, this one's for you. So let's go see how I made him. So to start, I've got some really lovely green clay here for my toad's body and head really, because it's all combined into one. So I'll just make that into an oval shape basically, and with my medium-sized ball tool I need to make a couple of eye sockets like so, and you can make yours as large or as small as you like really. And for his mouth I need to flatten down some clay like so in a round shape, and I'll cut at an angle with my blade cutting tool here. And incidentally, I have a list of the tools that I use pretty regularly down below in description. So I'm pretty happy with that, so I can attach it to his head and his body. And I want to make a neat seam really, so I'm using my wet wipe here firstly, and then my acrylic roller just to really try and coax that clay together and form like a seamless line really. So just go back in with my wet wipe, and once that's done I'll add in a couple of eyeballs, and I'm using some white clay, but you can use whatever colour you like. It's all about getting creative really, isn't it, and really trying to come up with a design that feels unique to you really. So I'll just add in some pupils. And I think he needs some contrasting colours going on, so I'll add on some pink cheeks as well. Next up, I'm going to make his feet. So I've got two small balls of the green clay, and I'll flatten them like so and just kind of make a kind of pear shape really. And I've got a teardrop shaped tool here, which is a fondant tool really, but you can use anything that's kind of similar really. So I've got two larger balls of clay now, and these are going to form his hind legs. So I'm just going to flatten those down slightly. And I'm going to cut at an angle like so with my blade cutting tool again. And once those are done, I can start building my little toes, trying to work out where I want things to go. And I'll start adding his legs. I just need to make sure that everything's kind of nice and secure really, so really trying to press that together as best as I can. And with his other leg. And to make things a little neater, I'll go in with my wet wipe again. I go through loads of these. And you can always use a ball tool as well to really try and encourage that clay together. And this is a little blurry, but I just wanted to demonstrate that you can add some feet at the front as well if you want, but I kind of like mine without actually. And for a little more contrast, I'll pop on some yellow dots at the top. You don't have to do this, or you can, use different colours as well if you want to. There we go. And I'll add on some eyebrows as well, just to really add a bit more character to him. Because this is a witch's toad, I want to give him a little witch's hat as well, so they're really easy to make. It's just basically adding a conical shape to a little round piece. So I just want to work out where I want his hat to go, so I'll add in some craft wire. And then just pop his hat on. I'm just going to rework his eyebrows slightly just so you can see them better. But now he's all done and ready to bake. And at this point you'll need to refer to your own brand of polymer clay's baking instructions. And here he is, all done, and I'm really pleased with him considering it's just a quick and easy design, so I just need to think about what to make next. I hope you enjoyed that. Give it a like if you got this far, subscribe if you're new, And if you do happen to make any of the tutorials that I've made for Halloween, or at any time, by all means tag me in on Instagram or on Twitter, as I would love to see them. So that's it for today. I'll be back really soon and I'll see you then. Take care. Bye bye.